Okay, we're gonna pull over here. We're gonna park right here. Here's the door, there's the other door, checkouts. We come in this way, we grab a buggy. We're gonna go through the center, turn this way, not the other stuff, but this way towards the Christmas clearance. One of us is gonna go this way, the other one's gonna go this way. The item we're looking for, the items right down here. The other ones over here. As soon as we're done here, we're gonna spin, turn, come this way, cut across this way. This person's gonna come there. We're gonna meet at these items. Got it?
Got it. Hey, sweet friends, welcome back to my home. I hope you enjoyed going with us this early to get Hobby Lobby for their 66% off. So I want it to be pretty much the first there, because one of the things that I wanted to get, I didn't get everything that, I thought that I wanted. And I thought the next sale was going to be 75% off. But in fact, it wasn't. It was 66% off. Just a little variance, so I wanted to go ahead and get what I wanted. One of the things that I wanted was these big metal bells. They open up. I'll be able to put a brick or a rock in them, put them on my front porch, and they won't blow away. They're pretty heavy, but we get some ferocious winds sometimes that can carry things away. You can see the little latch here. They are metal, they do have a rope. And if you see back there, I have two others. I got a total of 3. They were originally $49.99. You do the math, 66% off. You know that I've been enjoying, and guys, forgive me, I have absolutely no makeup on. Got up early, had my coffee, and we got ready and went. It's a good 30 minutes away, and you've seen our little drive time. We did stop and get some breakfast at McDonald's, yum. Not healthy, but yum. And anyway, I also seen these white grapevine type wreath. It says white rattan wreath, 18 inches, $19.99. I paid around $6, and I've been wanting to do some crafting here lately, and I've been trying to share some of that with you. I don't know that, I think these were 66% off, but how adorable were the 3 candles in the red and white. They were originally $11.99, so I think I paid about $5 for those. I just picked up some little crafting things, some little wiggly eyes, some zip ties for some wreath projects that I have, and also I found these little Mayberry Street miniatures, Rust Tin garden tools, and I thought how cute that will be on a spring wreath with spring coming up. Yes, I'm already thinking about that. I did see these. I didn't see these on my last trip. And these are some snowflakes at $6.99, 66% off. And they're little beaded ones on metal. They'll last for years. And there's so many different things I can do with those. Put them on the trees, put them in a dough bowl, hang them on my peg shelf, just a lot of different things. So I got 5 of those. These are absolutely cute, adorable. They had more than 5, but I picked up 5 of these, $5.99. Look at how cute and adorable. So I think I paid about around $2 or $2.50 each. And I got 5 of these. I just love them. They're a good size. You know, a little bit bigger than my hand. But I got 5 of those. The original trees that I wanted to get were all broke up on the tips, every one that was in the store, and I thought if they're that easy to break, storing them would be a big problem. However, I did find 2 of these. These were originally, I had got some years ago, but I think not as tall as this. And this is, this was originally $27.99, and these are 24 inches tall. And I got 2 of them, and I may put those on my mantle. I can put them on my shelf. I can put them on my peg shelf. Just a number of things that I can incorporate those in this year and next year. Although my decorating is done for this year. I got my decorating done by December the 1st. Actually, I worked on it in November so that I would have the whole month to enjoy my decorations, and I have. And I've been able to do a little bit of crafting, which I enjoy. And speaking of crafting, I found this fabric, and fabric was on sale, and look at this red stripe. I can make a number of things out of that, and I won't tell you what I've got in store, but you'll just have to watch my videos for the upcoming sewing. But how adorable was that? The 1 yard was $3.59. I paid $3.59 for this 1 yard, and I got a ½ yard of some soft white fleece for a project, and I got that was a ½ yard for $2.39. Also seen these. They had them in, I think there was a Santa, there might have been reindeer feed, but I really like this one. And I like this, I can put this, it's got weights in the bottom. I can put this out on my porch and it shouldn't blow away. And this was $24.99, 66% off. And I love the burlap. I love everything about that. And it'll go out on my front porch, or it could go over by my bench area even for this year. A couple other things that I got, and these are really for next year. I know that we are planning to put trees on our front porch. You know, I have the long front porch, and we're going to be thrifting this summer for a few more trees. So I wanted to get some red bulbs to go on it so it'll show up, because we sit so far off the road, and I wanted something to show up other than just the lights. So I got 3 packages of these red bulbs in 3 different sizes. That was the small, this is the medium, and then I also got the large set as a variety for the different sizes of trees. And those are for next year. And I thought I was gonna wait and thrift, but it's 66% off, and Hobby Lobby had quite a few. I wanted to go ahead and pick those up this year, so I'll have them ready. That is it. I mean, all the hoopla of getting up and being there, but those would have been gone in a matter of no time. The other 2 that was there, the large metal bales, the other 2 was broken. So I knew that they had those, and I wanted to be the first in the door to get those. And so I'm just happy to get them at 66% off. Guys, that is it. That's what I have in this video. I look forward to doing another sewing and baking before Christmas. And I will see you in that one. And you guys have a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless. I'll see you.